Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate in Creality Print. So first what you are going to do is open your file inside the prepare menu and left click on the 3D model that you imported and you want to basically spin. Okay, now click the rotate icon on the left toolbar or here in this top menu here if you have it right here as me. So the icon number 4, or you can press the R key on your keyboard to instantly activate it. So let's click on that. Now you see that this green and blue circle is right here now on our icon, our model, just like so. And now what we can do the same as sizing is we can manually rotate this blue circle green or red. So as you can see, so this is manual adjustment. Then we have here also this small window at the top, XYZ, and we can type the values into it and it will change how we want it. So as you can see, if I put this one like so and like that, now the values here are different. And this is basically it, how you can rotate models. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.